So OnePlus fixed 30th October as the 60th launch date in New York City, but then Apple decided to hold their iPad event on the exact same date and around the same time frame. As a result, the Chinese manufacturer has now preponed the launch date by a day on 29th October just to avoid the clash with Apple. Also, OnePlus is ready to refund your ticket charges they have applied for the 60th event if you cannot make through it. The company will be paying for your travel and hotel expenses if you have already booked them. This is a big sorry step from OnePlus, which I appreciate. The decision is also rightly taken as the 60 would be overshadowed by Apple's limelight. Apple obviously have no problem to clash with OnePlus as they don't give a damn about any Android manufacturer except Samsung. All after that, OnePlus is now reaching out to attendees to let them know about the rescheduling of the event. So OnePlus has a habit of selling a limited edition flagship model which is available at a much higher price tag with the maximum configuration. It is quite different in terms of look, and we have to admit that look is awesome. Coming to the point, a limited edition of the OnePlus 60 has been listed online on a Swedish retailer, Webhalon. The listing states that only 100 pieces of the OnePlus 60 Ultimate Limited Edition will be available with the same 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. This could be a publicity stunt, but if it's true, we'll come to know about it in few days. OnePlus's CEO Pete Law just teased the camera performance of the 60. He posted a night shot of downtown Shenzhen saying what roughly translates to bring your own filter. The 13 megapixel photo was uploaded in full resolution but without the EXIF info, so I cannot reveal more details like aperture or the manufacturer of the sensor. All in all, the image looks like proper flagship photography with accurate colors and various hues of the sky including the cloud texture. We know that OnePlus 60 is gonna come with a setting for long exposure night shooting, similar to what Huawei introduced this month. So yeah, 60 will be a pure flagship with a reasonable price tag, and let me know your thoughts about this in the comments down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.